Now here we have our Hello Autumn design that we were just working with, but let's look what some of this magic edit tool looks like. So you click on the photo, then you click edit, and you go over here to Magic Studio where you'll find Magic Edit. So what you want to do is you just want to color over the areas that you want to change, and you can describe what it is. So I'm going to say for this instance a yellow squash, and then I'm going to click generate, and then you just kind of wait for it. It's going to remove the pumpkin and it's going to replace it with an image. I'm going to give you a few options over here. If you don't like them, you can certainly regenerate them, but here's like a different looking color one. I kind of like that, or basket. I'm going to go with this one just so you can see. You can generate it again, like I said, and then when you're done with it, voila. Now you have a different color pumpkin in the mix. I hope that helps.